Hello, and welcome to the video tutorial on scheduling library services through Front Range Community College, Boulder County campus. We will begin on our main page at frontrange.edu. The Student Experience option is towards the top of your screen. When you select the Student Experience, a blue menu will appear. The Libraries option will be the fourth option down from the top. When you select Libraries, it will take you to the Front Range Community College Libraries splash page. This provides basic information about our libraries and provides you with options to select a specific location. We have Boulder County campus, Larimer campus, and Westminster campus. For this video tutorial, we will select Boulder County campus. There are two ways to access scheduling library services. On the left side of this menu, you can select the tab that reads BCC Library Information and Services, or you can scroll down till you see the box with that same option. We are here at the BCC Library Information and Services. Under the Forms location, you can select Library Research Appointment if you are a student, or you can select Library Instruction Session if you are an instructor. For this video tutorial, we will select Library Research Appointment for students. Both options will take you to the same page. After you agree to our booking policy through our external software Setmore, you'll be prompted to select a specific time. And you will be prompted to select a specific service. In this case, I will select Library Research Appointment. And then you can select a day and time. After you select a day and time, you will be prompted to enter your first and last name, S number, your FRCC or student email, and then provide basic information on how the librarian can assist you. Once the librarian receives your information, you will receive a confirmation email to let you know that your appointment has been scheduled. You will also receive another email an hour before your appointment time, so please keep a lookout at your student or FRCC email. Thanks for watching.